Hello students, welcome back to our discourse analysis class. Previously, we have discussed about some items that can be used to develop cohesions in a discourse. So today we're going to group all of those items into some category according to theory with me, Pak Afif Ikhwanul Muslimin. Before we continue, I'd like to recall our understanding about what is called as cohesions. Halliday and Hassan 1976 already said that cohesions relations of meaning that exist within the text. So in a discourse, when you'd like to develop a good discourse, it should have connections in meaning, so that the readers will understand easily the whole ideas of the discourse itself, because all of sentences are connected in meaning. So how to develop connections? There are two types of cohesions according to linguistics. The first is grammatical and the second lexical. In grammatical, it refers to the structural content, means that a language has a structure, and the language structure is used to create chronologically or maybe a good relations of meaning in a discourse. And the second one we have lexical, means that there is a language contents in a discourse that must be chosen correctly as essential piece to develop meaningful discourse. So the first is grammatical cohesions. Grammatical cohesions is constructed by grammatical structure, which means that you have to pay attention on how language is structured correctly. So previously we have discussed about reference, substitutions, ellipses, and conjunctions. All of those four items are contributed to develop grammatical cohesions. And the second one, we have what is called as lexical cohesions. It relates to the selections of dictions or vocabulary or something related to the language items that can be used to create cohesions in a class of lexic. Types of lexical cohesions deals with the use of reiterations or repetitions and collocations. So in repetition, sometimes you repeat similar words, or sometimes you choose a synonym of a certain words in another sentence because you'd like to avoid boredom, or maybe you'd like to create link between the first sentence and second sentence. And sometimes you can also use collocations when there are also coordinations that words are coming together, two words are coming together. For details, you can watch the previous video. So in summary, according to Halliday and Hassan, types of cohesions are two. Grammatical contains of reference, includes exophoric, endophoric, anaphoric, cataphoric, or maybe substitutions, that one word substitutes another one, like you can use one as substitutions of a book, for example. Ellipsis, you omit some part of talks or discourse because it's been understood from the context. Conjunctions, you can use like moreover, additions, or any other conjunctions to create cohesions. And the next one is lexical cohesions that can be categorized into two. The first is reiterations. You can use synonym, you can use subordinations, or maybe you can use another part of reiterations, and you can also use collocations. So from this video, you have learned that there are two categories or grouping of items to create cohesions in creating a good discourse. So keep learning discourse analysis. See you later.